What is Heyreach? If you know the answer on this question, you can simply skip this video. But if you don't know what Heyreach is, please stay a few minutes. So Heyreach is a LinkedIn automation tool. So basically what it does, it sends messages and connects to different leads on a massive scale through your LinkedIn profile. And let me show you how it works. So once you're inside Heyreach, what you do, the first thing you do is you need to connect your LinkedIn profiles. And the second thing you need to do is then, once this is done, is actually import some leads. So the leads are those people that you want to contact. So I can import how many I want, and you can do this through CSV or Sales Navigator or other alternatives. So once you have import these leads inside Heyreach, then you can simply create different campaigns. That means that you can select, okay, what kind of leads do I want to contact? And then you can create different sequences. So that means that Heyreach is gonna do for each individual lead is follow these sequences. So for example, I'm gonna add a like post and then I'm gonna do a view profile. That means for each of the leads that I wanna contact, it's gonna go through each lead and like one of their posts and then view their profile. And it's gonna look like actually it's me through my LinkedIn that is actually doing it, but it's not. It's actually Heyreach which is doing this. And then what you can do is actually send messages, etc. to these leads. And we will go through this a little bit later. And the other part that you have is actually Unibox. So basically when one of the leads is actually replying, then you will be able to talk to them directly through here. So that is what Heyreach is. If you want to know more, please go to heyreach.io and watch their tutorials. And then let's talk about how you can create automated AI sales videos through Weezly and Heyreach and send them to your leads and book meetings directly in Heyreach. And this opens massive opportunities in terms of outreach. Thank you.